Good morning, children. I am Jennifer ma'am. I am here again with something new for you, which I am sure you are going to like. Children, tell me, can you name the different things that you see in the sky? Okay, we see the sun, moon, stars, clouds. What else do we see apart from this? There is something that we see once in a way and mostly in the monsoon season. It is something that is very pretty and very beautiful. Can you guess what it is? I will tell you. It is the rainbow. Now, why is the rainbow so beautiful? It is beautiful because it is made up of many different colors. So today we are going to learn something interesting about colors. Broadly speaking, there are two types of colors. One is primary and the other is secondary. Primary colors are colors which cannot be made, and secondary colors are colors which can be made by mixing two primary colors. The three primary colors are yellow, red and blue. We have a bright yellow sunflower, a yummy red strawberry and a trendy blue pair of jeans. Now, secondary colors are orange, green and purple. A refreshing orange candy, a healthy green capsicum and a very naughty purple octopus. So these are your primary colors and these are your secondary colors. Now, what are secondary colors? Secondary colors are colors which can be made by mixing any two primary colors. This is very interesting because we are making it and so it is called secondary colors. Now children, I will mix two different primary colors and get a secondary colors. Okay, I'll take a little bit of red. Which is a primary color. And I'll take a little yellow, which is also a primary color. What color is this? It's an orange, which is a secondary color. I have mixed two primary colors, red and yellow, and now I have an orange color. Now we shall make another secondary color. A little red, and I shall take a little blue. So here we have a secondary color. Red and blue makes a purple. And the last color, I shall take a little blue and I will add another primary color, yellow. Let us see what do we get. Yes, here we get a green color. So we have three secondary colors, orange, purple and green. I mixed two primary colors, red and yellow, and got an orange. I mixed a red and blue and got a purple, and blue and yellow, and we get a green color. So here are your secondary colors. So the three primary colors, blue, yellow and red. And when you mix a red and yellow, you get an orange. A red and blue, you get a purple. And blue and yellow, you get a green. So these are your secondary colors. And these are your primary colors. So now children, you all know about secondary colors. Secondary colors can be made and primary colors cannot be made. You can try mixing other colors too and create new colors like pink, brown. Maybe you can even try adding black and white and see the result. So now I have a video for you. Please watch it carefully.
I love colors. I love colors, yes I do. Red and orange, green and blue. I love colors, yes I do. Red and orange, green and blue. I love colors, dark or bright, yellow, purple, black and white. I love colors, dark or bright, yellow, purple, black and white. Yellow, purple, black and white. Yellow, purple, black and white.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video. So children, before I end, I would like you to do something. I would like you to look around your house and see all the different beautiful colors and try to identify which is a primary color and which is a secondary color. We shall meet tomorrow once again with an exciting activity on colors. Until then, bye and take care.